Hello guys. Regarding ChatGPT, this is going to be the second session. So we will learn today how to use the prompts, how to create prompts. Hmm? So I'm sharing my screen. So ChatGPT is very good for today's world. So we can get more information from here. So I'm creating new chat. Suppose so our now we will I will add one more prompt. Means some phrases or some suggestions how I'm going to give the suggestions. So can you add negative test to scenarios for registration page? Okay, just copy this one. Okay. Can you add negative test scenarios for registration page? So can you see it is giving the negative scenarios for the registration page. So you need to provide the proper suggestions to the chat GPT. So this is the way I want. So chat GPT will give you according to your suggestions. See, see negative test cases. Negative, see, in the coming world, no, chat GPT is going to rule in everything. But still, human intervention is required. But still, chat GPT is helpful. When you use chat GPT, you can finish your work very fast. Okay. Say, can you negative scenarios, right? Say empty field. Submit the form without filling any validation fields. Leave field, individual fields empty and submit the form. So invalid email formats. So mismatch password confirmation. Enter different values in the password and confirm password fields. Mismatching. So it's very a detailed way it is giving. The ChatGPT is giving in a detailed way. Suppose the same phrase I'm giving in tabular form. Tabular form. So I'm asking, can you have an test scenarios for registration in tabular form? Okay. See how it is giving. So the way it is giving is very nice, right? I'm impressed. It's awesome. See, it is within 1 second, within 1 minute, we got the complete information. See, test scenarios, description, expected result. Empty submit the form without filling out details. Empty username, empty email. Use empty email is the form. I hope I hope this will be very helpful for you guys. So people will search in different ways. So I am giving my examples. So how to use ChatGPT for testing. Yeah. Thank you.